Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change and enable your Bluetooth settings on your CHiQ TV. So to do this, you need to press the home button on your Pilot. It's this button right here. We're gonna press that, and in the top right corner of our screen we can see the cog. We're gonna press that as well. And then go to the system and just go down, and from environment we're gonna go even more down, and here we have the Bluetooth button. So we're gonna press OK on it, again OK, and then change to on. OK. So it's on, and down there you can see the host name, and it's basically your host name, your Bluetooth name. That's how your TV will appear on your devices. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.